Sewage is a domestic wastewater containing many harmful microorganisms and complex mixture of chemicals that being released untreated into streams and rivers throughout the world, including in Malaysia by a community of people. Natural microorganism in marine environment has an amazing ability to break down sewage and pollution, normally organic waste, in small amount with the consumption of oxygen. However, the rate of sewage breakdown and associated oxygen consumption are always exceeding the rate of oxygen supply in river or streams. Therefore, the oxygen concentration in water drop and lead to extreme case of oxygen deficiency, consequently loss or re-establish of marine animals in that areas, production of harmful odor and water become anoxic. All the potential risks can be essentially reduced by treatment procedure with improved technique and mechanism to reduce the pollutant level so that nature can speed up the natural wastewater treatment processes by which water is purified.
There are several sewage wastewater treatment companies in Malaysia, such as Indah Water Consortium Sdn Bhd, Watersen Technology Sdn Bhd, and Atlas Resource Enterprise Sdn Bhd. Indah Water, or known as IWK, is publicly known in Malaysia as it is a government-owned company under the Minister of Finance Incorporated, which is responsible to develop and maintain a modern sewage system in West Malaysia efficiently. Its headquarters is located in Kuala Lumpur, whereas its plants are located in average places like Petaling Jaya, Selayang, Batu Cave, and Bandar Tun Razak. Domestic, industrial, and storm sewage wastewater will be collected from inspection chamber, which generally installed at the property line of a building that allows the municipality or city to access the sanitary or storm sewers without disturbing the building owner. Then, the sewage wastewater will be funneled through public sewerage pipeline, which connects the individual septic tanks to sewage treatment plants before it is being treated there.
Now, let's move on to the analysis part. The contributing factors can be divided into external and internal factors. Under the external factors, firstly, the management is in authority to guarantee that the treatment plant is managed well so that the good quality of water is produced. After that, the water treatment includes a lot of expenses to make it operate. Besides that, the operator needs mechanical aptitude and should be competent in basic mathematics, chemistry, and biology as well as computers. Last but not least, the workers must pay close attention to safety procedures as they may be confronted with hazardous conditions at workplace. While for the internal factors, firstly, the community of microorganisms should be adjusted so that the nitrogen and phosphorus is enough and metabolism fail as well as slime don't occur. Next, the performance is greater at higher temperature due to the higher reaction rate coefficient, while the optimum pH should be between 7 and 7.5 as the bacteria is helped by the enzymes. In addition, the inflow of effluent should be stabilized so that the treatment process downstream remains functional. Finally, the toxic effluent can be diminished by diluting it in equalization ponds with the help of effluent that is composed of lesser toxins.
There are three basic concepts in sewage treatment plant. Firstly, the water stays till scum have floated to the top and solids have settled on the lowest of the tank. The second chamber circulates air around the chamber and bacteria aids to break down the contaminants in the water, efficiently scrubbing it. The final tank allows solids that may stay to sink to the bottom of the tank before the effluent is cleared into a soakaway.
The next part will be the alternative of treating sewage or wastewater in Malaysia. There is a study conducted by few researchers in 2019 where they managed to design a novel biofilm wastewater system by using encapsulated microbes, or known as mass biosystem (MBS). And this system is designed to treat high concentration of ammonia nitrogen and improve the conventional wastewater treatment process in Malaysia. There are three main stages in this system. The first stage is called primary treatment. At this part, it consists of transverse pump sump and micro belt filter. This is an essential part because it's designed to eliminate grit, sand, and different type of foreign solid substance that often found in raw wastewater. The second stage is secondary treatment system, where we can find two important units which are BioAX1 and MBS1. Basically, the function of BioAX1 is to remove chemical oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand, and also ammonia nitrogen in shorter time because it contains fixed, suspended filter and a microporous aeration system. Besides, the MBS1, which contains pellet with the main component of microbial liquid to make sure the nitrification process occur and convert ammonia to nitrite and then to nitrate. Last stage will be tertiary wastewater system, which are the key unit to enhance the biodegradation rate for organic matter removal. In this treatment process, it has MBS2, which also possesses MBS pellet, but this time it used to undergo denitrification process by converting nitrate from previous MBS1 to nitrogen gas. The final step in the entire system is BioAX2. This unit will receive sewage from MBS and is discharged as a treated effluent. It serves as an extra unit to further reducing the BOD, biochemical oxygen demand.
Here are some recommendations for wastewater treatment. The improvement techniques and mechanisms are required to give nature a helping hand to treat the wastewater in order to speed up the natural processes by which water is purified. Hence, there are some recommendations to improve the separation process in water treatment. The first recommendation, where sedimentation first takes place, in which the adsorption of soft components by recycling through the precipitation of excess sludge. Number 2, zeta potential measurement will help to obtain a better understanding of the process affecting the properties of sludge.
Number 3, new efficient adsorbents must be developed as they can be reused for a worldwide separation process. Nowadays, many researchers have studied adsorbent for water treatment and its purification widely. This is due to the adsorptive separation very effective to obtain high degree purity. Number 4, final treated water should be treated frequently due to the purpose of using it for secondary intent. This is very significant for human health and the environment. For the last, awareness campaigns to change public attitude, behaviors and expectations should be done. For example, educate people about the effect of throwing rubbish in the toilet bowl and avoid doing activity that can contribute to water pollution as treatment of raw water become more complex and costly because of water pollution.
Conclusion: wastewater treatment is an important thing to pay attention to because human beings need water to stay alive. Various factors need to be considered in treating wastewater. Only when the conditions met, treating wastewater could produce safe and healthy water to the public.